Hello everyone, it's your girl Benny of Free Benny's Kitchen. If you are new here, please share, like and subscribe. And if you have been following me, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you have any comment, please leave it at the comment section. So today, I'm going to show you how I prepare my peppered goat meat. On the table are the ingredients for this our goat meat. Here I have my already washed, seasoned, boiled and air-fried goat meat. Here is my groundnut oil. Here I have some Ugwu and scent leaf I'm used to garnish it. Our salt. Here I have in my blended tomatoes, onions and pepper. I have atarodo and yellow pepper in here. Here we have our meat stock. Here is my chopped onions. I have my bouillon cube here, my curry, my ginger and garlic paste and my pepper. So let's go cooking. So the heat is on and I'll put my pan on the fire. I'll add my groundnut oil. I'll allow it to be hot a bit before I pour in my onion. So it's hot. I'll just add the quantity of onion I want and allow it to fry. I'm now adding the ginger garlic paste so it can fry together. I always like using ginger and garlic paste because I like the aroma it gives to my peppered goat meat. I'm now adding my blended tomatoes, pepper and onion. Then I'll allow it to fry for like 5 minutes. I'll cover it, then come back to see if it's okay before I continue. So after 5 minutes, this is what we have here. It's okay. I'll just add some curry. I use 1 bouillon cube because I have some in my meat stock. So I just add the stock from boiling the meat. I'm adding more Cameroon pepper because I said it's peppered goat meat, so I want it to be a bit hot. So I'm adding more pepper. I'll just go in now and add our air-fried goat meat. At this point, I'll just lower the heat so the tomatoes will soak into the goat's meat. It will soak into the meat and make it so succulent because you don't want to eat hard meat. You know, goat meat is difficult to cook, and because of the skin, you have to prepare very well. So I'll just add a little bit of water to allow it to simmer for like 3 minutes. So I'm adding little water to simmer. So at this point, I'll test for salt because you know I have salt in the stock and see if I can adjust the salt. I'll just add little more salt to it. The pepper is just perfect. You know, when you are cooking for an event, you don't really have to put much pepper because some people don't like too much pepper in their food. So if it's for the public, you have to adjust it. So after 5 minutes, I'm checking it, and it's just super okay. So succulent, tasty, spicy, and all. I'll just add in my chopped ugu leaf and scent leaf to give it another flavor. This is how I like my peppered goat's meat. And if you are still with me, please just take a break and press the like button. So our spicy peppered goat's meat is just ready. At this point, you have to lower the heat so that everything will just suck in little by little. So I'll just go now and put out the heat, and our peppered goat's meat is ready. Thank you for watching. Wow! See our peppered goat's meat. So spicy, so succulent. My kitchen is filled with such a wonderful aroma. Let me just put it in my mouth and this, I will tell you how it feels. Amazing. This is what I really, really want. It's so succulent, so spicy, tasty, name it. Anyhow, you want it.